How long has it been?
At least 4, probably 5 years. I want to say
Really?
since like 2020, 2021.
What makes you want to cut it today?
I just need a change, you know? Like I've had it long for like quite a while and
Yeah.
just like kind of over it. It's so long, it's hard to put it in a bun too. So I was like, maybe I'll just trim it. But that feels like, what's the point at that point, you know?
If you would have told me like, let's do a 2-inch trim, I would have been like, nah, like I'm good, bro.
No, I want to like fully like shape it up, get it like almost like a 90s mod cut, or just like if you have any suggestions with like my head shape. I think it's like an oval.
The thing that I like about your hair that it already kind of falls naturally like that. So I don't know how you feel about keeping some of the length right here. It just depends on how much you want to keep.
Just like nothing below here, I'd say.
Okay.
Like so, like a middle part vibe is kind of cool if you think that's like something around the length of like David Cornsweat and like Superman or like a Tom Holland vibe almost. Just a little more mature.
Do you have a picture of anything that might kind of fit that vibe? You see,
something like that.
Okay, I like that for you. You see, you guys have the same face shape. His goes and lands like right on the brow. That's gonna be the starting point of the haircut, is where you want it to land on your face. From here, I'm gonna make it basically as long as whatever falls right here. If you're cool with that middle part vibe, maybe we can do like a very soft, like low taper. It doesn't have to be too crazy, but just so I can make the haircut a little bit, you know, make it pop a little bit more. I'm just gonna go ahead and give you kind of more like a middle part vibe. We'll match the back to the sides, and then I'll give you a very little soft low taper. Okay. And we'll go ahead and just, you know, just revive you, bro. Is that cool?
Yeah, sounds awesome.
All right, let's do it, bro. Let's.
Yeah, man. That's crazy.
We just saturated the hair. I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys would probably be nervous about this part of the haircut on where to start exactly. I want to take care of the bangs first, so I'm going to take care of the top first. We're going to separate and just section the hair into panels. The first step is going to be to grab your comb. We're going to just press the comb down right here, and wherever it bends and leaves the head, that's where the first panel will begin. So I'm just going to separate the front part of the head to the back side. What the comb does, it allows me to see the curvature of the head, so I know exactly where to section the head. Next, we're gonna locate his recession point, which is gonna be here. We're gonna separate that, which is this panel, to the top panel. So now we have created what is a side panel, back panel, and the top panel. We separated, which is the side panel, top panel, and back panel. Don't overthink this process, guys. We want to keep the hair a little bit long still, but I'm gonna aim it right here towards the top of his nose. Just chopped all of that off. Then I'm gonna pull these hairs to the front, and I'm just gonna do the same thing. This is the length that we cut here. I'm probably gonna cut a tiny bit more, a tiny bit, like ½ inch. And this is gonna be what we're gonna be using to layer the whole top. Since we did cut it from the front, we're gonna start from the front. This becomes our guide right here, right there. This step does not have to be perfect. We're just trying to create that first reference point so I know how much to cut from the back when it's time to layer the back. Once I've layered one guideline here, I've cut one guideline here, I've cut one guideline here, and one guideline here. I can now literally go straight across, split everything in half, and we're gonna take side horizontal sections, just horizontal sections here, just to go a little bit faster. You guys can see what I've cut in the middle is right here. I just have to match that to make it a little bit easier on me. Took another horizontal section, I'm gonna do the same thing. right, to start our graduation, so we just finished trimming a little bit of the top. I want to start the process of just graduating the hair towards the back. We're going to start our first guideline here, which is a finger. We can cut it as close as we can. So now for the taper, this is what's gonna make everything pop. So we don't want to dig into the bulk, right? We wanna keep everything really as natural as possible. So we're going to start first by lining up the C-cups and here around the ear. Next, I'm gonna slightly flick up right here with the trimmer. It's gonna create a really soft blend. I wouldn't recommend this if you're a beginner. 3 guard now, I'm gonna flick up right here. I'm gonna work down now. So I started with the 3, now I'm gonna flick up with the 2 guard lever open. I'm gonna close it now. Start working our way backwards now with the 1.5. Start closing it little by little. One guard lever open. Let's work our way backwards. Still. And close it. Half guard. Now working our way backwards. Same thing. Slightly flicking up. Then I'm gonna start blending backwards now, guys. I'm closing the lever. That little soft line that I saw right there, I want to get rid of that.